This is my path. This is my race. I'm competitive with myself. The only person I need to be better than is the person I was yesterday. Life isn't about keeping up with someone else's timeline. It's about becoming a stronger, wiser, more capable version of yourself with every challenge you overcome. Someone will always have more money, more experience, or more recognition, but none of that determines your future. Your habits do. Your discipline does. Your willingness to keep showing up when no one is watching does. Real success isn't built by comparing yourself to others. It's built by making small improvements every single day until those improvements become extraordinary results. Every call you make, every skill you develop, every book you read, every obstacle you refuse to let stop you, they're all deposits into the person you're becoming. The people who create extraordinary lives aren't necessarily the most talented. They're simply the ones who stay committed, long after everyone else quits. Imagine where your life could be 1 year from now, if you chose consistent growth over temporary comfort. Imagine waking up knowing you're building something that belongs to you, something that creates freedom instead of just another paycheck. That's what entrepreneurship offers. Not guarantees, but opportunity. The opportunity to build an income that's based on your effort, your leadership, and the value you create for others. At TruPowur, you're not just selling energy solutions. You're helping homeowners and businesses reduce one of their essential monthly expenses while building a business that can generate long-term, compounding residual income. Every customer you help has the potential to become another step toward the future you're creating for yourself. The race isn't against your neighbor. It isn't against your coworker. It isn't against anyone on social media. The race is between who you are today and who you're capable of becoming. Win that race every day and success becomes inevitable. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.